What's good? It's your boy back with another video. Today we are going to be testing out Sketchbook Pro, Medibang, and Krita. And then we're going to look at which one is better for beginner digital artists. Stay tuned. So we're going to get right into it, and we're going to be rating this thing, first of all, user experience, user friendliness. How easy is it to get in and out of the program, to use certain tools? And then we're going to be looking at just the drawing engine, how smooth it is to actually draw inside the program. So let's get into it. So let's start right off the bat with Medibang Pro. And these icons are just humongous. That's the first thing that really caught my eye. I don't know whether it's because I have a 4K monitor and it's not really acting right with the resolution, but it reminds me of the Mario 3 level where everything is just like super big. The one thing about big icons is that you're gonna have less drawing space on the screen when you have all these big icons. So we're gonna get right into drawing, and it seems fairly simple, fairly standard. File, open new image. And I'm just going to be drawing a basic mouth, just trying to get the feel of the actual drawing engine, how smooth it is. And as of right now, it seems pretty smooth. It's not really choppy or anything like that. But I will say, using the pen tool and the pencil tool, both of the tools look exactly the same and they feel the same way. And another problem I had was I couldn't really increase the brush size. So I think this is a problem with, like I said before, with my monitor being a 4K monitor. It has to be doing something to this actual drawing program. I do not know, but it's kind of hard because I'm putting the size like at 50 and 100, and usually 50 and 100 you're literally covering the whole screen. So I don't know what's really going on with that. And so now I'm just messing around with random tools, seeing how they react. So I think I've seen enough of this program to give it a rating. So as far as user friendliness, how easy it is to get into this program and start drawing, I'll give it a 2.5 stars out of 4. The actual drawing engine, I'm gonna have to give this a 2 out of 4 stars, just because I couldn't find a difference between the pen tool and the pencil tool. They both look the exact same way and felt the exact same way. Now, this is another category I just thought about. This is the UI, the user interface. And that's just the whole design of the actual program. And like I said before, those big icons take away from your actual drawing space. And so I really didn't like that. So I'm gonna have to give that another 2 stars out of 4. And so for the overall drawing experience, the overall feeling, of this actual drawing software, I'm gonna have to give this a 2.5 stars out of 4. And you know, it's simple to get into, but the drawing engine is very it's not there yet, and there are better options out there, and the user interface is just so bland. I mean, it really does look like a free program. Nothing really excites me about this actual program. Now let's go right on to Krita, and the first thing that pops up is look at the icons. The icons are smaller. The UI user interface is more in line with a Photoshop, and the drawing tools are picture based instead of icon based. So it's very easy to pick the right tool and not be so confused as what tool is this, what tool is that. You see, because the pencil tool actually has a picture of a pencil. And check out this pencil tool. This is a pencil tool that actually looks like a pencil. I mean, it really does look like a number 2 pencil. And so when you have a drawing engine like that you can really differentiate which tool is which, that's just gonna make your artwork that much better. And I want to go back to the UI. The UI, it doesn't look like a free software. Like, this software, you wouldn't know it's free, right? And you know, that's just good UI design. And so now I'm just checking out different brushes, making sure that the pressure sensitivity is active, and it seems pretty good. And then I'm gonna check out different rulers, different tools like the mirror tool, symmetry tool, and just, you know, seeing what they can do, what Krita, you know, really has to offer. So for user friendliness, I'm gonna have to give this a 3 out of 4 stars, just because of the UI and the brush tools. Just because they put in pictures instead of symbols, and you can actually see it instead of having some type of arbitrary symbol of the actual tool. And so as far as the drawing engine, I'm gonna have to give this a 3 out of 4 stars. The different brush types, you could just tell right away the difference between the pen tool, the pencil tool, the different brushes. It runs very smooth, not jittery at all. And so that's why the overall drawing experience on Krita, I'm gonna give this one a 3 out of 4 stars. Now let's move on to Sketchbook Pro. And the first thing that stands out, once again, is the UI, the user interface, is that the drawing area is the whole screen. There are less icons in the way. And it seems like the philosophy of Sketchbook Pro is just to get in there and start drawing. And so let's check out the pencil tool. And it looks fairly like a pencil. It can pass for a pencil. It's not like Krita, where you can clearly tell that it looks like a pencil, but for a free program, that's pretty good. And another thing is that Sketchbook Pro, they use actual pictures too to mimic their brush tools. So they show you pencil, paintbrush. They show you actual pictures and not arbitrary icons. So that's a plus too. Okay, look at here. They have a Copics marker brush. And it's supposed to mimic Copic marker type of feel. And you know, as you can see now, it acts and it looks like a real marker. Let's try blending some colors, and it looks like that's how a marker would actually blend the color. And so let's check out some of the symmetry tools, some of the mirroring tools, the ruler tools. And the one thing that stood out to me about Sketchbook Pro is that it seems like everything is very easily accessible. You know, you have your toolbar up on top of the program. You have your paintbrush and all of these other things to the side, and they're not so big, they're not getting in the way. So, but anyway, let's check out some of these symmetry tools, and they seem easy to use, fairly simple. And so for user friendliness, I'm gonna give this one a 3.5 stars out of 4. And like I said before, as soon as you open up the program, there's less icons and there's just less things to actually get you confused and really distract you from actually drawing, because a lot of programs can be a bit intimidating. Now for the actual drawing engine, you know, it's okay. It's not bad. It's not excellent either. So I'm gonna have to give this a 3 stars, right? Because it doesn't wow me, but it doesn't really have any problems with it. And so for the UI, the user interface, I'm gonna have to give this a 4 out of 4. Just simply because it's so simple to get into. It doesn't seem bland, but it doesn't seem overpowering. Like, a lot of thought went into constructing this user experience, the different icons, how they was gonna have it set up, how they have it kind of floating. A lot of thought went into that. And so for the overall drawing experience, I'm gonna give this one a 3.5 out of 4 stars. So the scores are Medibang 2.5 stars, Krita 3 stars, and Sketchbook Pro 3.5 stars. And remember, this scoring system is strictly for beginner artists. And all 3 of these programs are free to download. And me personally, I would suggest you download all 3 of them and find out for yourself, because you may like Medibang's big icons, right? You may like the complexity of Krita, or you may like the simple approach of Sketchbook Pro. Also, if you are feeling this t-shirt I got on right now, I am selling this t-shirt. It's gonna be down in the description below. I'm gonna put the link down now, so y'all can pick that up if y'all like the t-shirt. I hope you got some type of value out of this video today. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and as always, I'll holler at you next time. Believe that. What's good? It's your boy back with another video. Today we are going to be testing out drawing software, and specifically Clip Studio Paint. No. Yo, what's good? It's your boy back with another video. Today we are going to be testing out drawing software to see which one is better for beginners. And those 3 softwares are... Yo, what's good everybody? It's your boy back with another video. Today we are going to be testing out 3 drawing softwares. Yo, what's good everybody? It's your boy back with another video. Today we are going to be testing out Clip Studio Paint.